Another thing, I know that people were saying that the product is pricey, but come on guys, it's a small business. Small businesses, they're not as big or have as much capital as bigger businesses, so the discounts and whatever else is that big product companies have, small businesses don't have that luxury, you know. So it's a small business. Support a black female owned small business. Hey guys, welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. I know you know why I'm excited. I'm excited because I have gotten my hands on the Melanin Hair Care line by Natural 85. And I got two things from her line. I got the Melanin Twist-Elongating Style Cream, which is here in its 16.1 ounce fluid glory. And I got this, which is the melanin cap, and I was really excited about getting this so I could have a puff and still be protected from the sun. And I love that it's melanin, you know, melanated, so I was really excited to get this. So I know that you guys saw all of the videos before, but if you didn't, Whitney is one of the OGs here on YouTube. She is, if not the biggest YouTuber with regards to natural hair, she is one of the biggest YouTubers, and she has such a kind and nice, calm soul. I love her videos. She makes great content. So when Whitney came out with a line, you know, I had to test it out. I had to try it out for myself on our hair type. And I'm saying our because I know most of you guys have my hair type as well. So I'm here to tell you guys if her products work. Well, her products, because I only tried this one, works on our natural hair. So the Twist Elongating Style Cream, it says that you're supposed to pair it with your favorite leave-in conditioner. So the leave-in conditioner that I decided to pair this with was my very own leave-in conditioner, which is the My Crown of Curls Honey Almond Leave-In Conditioner. And then I used this. When I was putting the product onto my hair, the first thing that I noticed was that it had good slip, and I really enjoyed it. There are also, my hair has many different textures in it, so there are some parts of my hair that when I put the product in, you could actually see curls forming already, and then there are other parts that I didn't see that happening. So I could already tell that the looser your hair is, the better this product will work for you, if that made sense. One of the things that I found after twisting my hair was that my hair did flake, and I made sure that when I was twisting my hair that I put sufficient product on each section, but I also took off the excess product so that if it does have the propensity to flake, that it didn't flake. So I didn't like the fact that it did flake, snowing. I don't like my hair snowing in May. This twist out that I have in is actually from the twist out that I got from using her product, and this is day 2 hair. So this is day 2 hair, and some parts of my hair, let me just focus the camera in, some parts of my hair has already lost definition. You can see it right here, and you could also see the flakes falling out. Let's go on to product scent. Now, on the first whiff of this product, I get slight hints of cocoa butter and shea butter on the first whiff, but there is a stronger smell, and that smell is latex. It smells like latex gloves. That's the majority of the smell. Now, Whitney decided not to scent her products because, you know, there's some people who have sensitivity to certain smells, so she decided not to scented products. Personally, I prefer fruity smells, but I do get the fact that some people are just sensitive to smells, so let's just do a product with no scents to avoid any, you know, I don't like this product because of its smell and stuff like that, you know. So I totally get that. I also love the fact that a little bit goes a long way, so I did not have to use a ton of product. I really barely made a dent. I've hardly made a dent in this product, and she has great ingredients in here such as castor oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil. There is also shea butter in here, cocoa butter, there's olive oil, there's vitamin E oil, so many great oils that she has in here as well. And her message is, I hope that you enjoy this lightweight elongating style cream designed to make your hair more manageable, reduce tangles and knots. Enjoy all the benefits of this nourishing shea butter and your favorite nutrient-rich oils without the greasy residue and your hair being weighed down. This is actually very true. My hair doesn't have a greasy residue and it doesn't feel weighed down. However, this product is not as moisturizing as other products that I have used. On day one, my hair felt like it was a day 3 or a day 4. It's not very moisturizing, and especially for type 4 hair like mine, we need a lot of moisture. My hair is also very stiff and it's dry. Now I don't know if it's dry because of the weather. Right now I'm in New York and it is very cold, but I'm definitely going to carry this back to the Caribbean and test this out there, which is I really wanted to see how this product works both in the cold and in the hot. So there will be another video coming up whenever I go back home to explain that as well. The product, it says that it gives you perfect twist outs and wash and goes. I haven't tried it on a wash and go. I don't really do wash and goes, but if you want me to try doing a wash and go with this, I definitely would. And these are the twists that I got from using her product. So in total, I would give this product a 3 out of 5 because it's not as moisturizing as I hope it will be for my natural hair. And also it flakes. I can't stand it if products flakes. It makes my hair look like I have dandruff, you know. But I do know that this was a well thought out product, that she made such a great effort to get this all natural product out for us. She was working on this for 5 years. I have looked at other people's reviews. So if your hair is not like mine and it's closer to hers, I saw other reviews where their hair looks just as fabulous as hers does with this product in it. So definitely give it a try. I mean, we all have different hair types, and you guys know that I'm going to be 100% honest all the time. No product is untouchable. So I will give you my honest opinion on how it worked on my hair. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's video. I'm still very excited that I tried Natural 85's product, and I look forward to rocking this cap all summer long. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for the next video. Okay, stay tuned for what's coming next, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Please subscribe if you made it to the end of this video. I don't know why you're going to leave without subscribing. Okay, so please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.